This video presentation focuses on Pulse Reflex Core, which is the general-purpose post-processing application in Pulse Reflex. In this presentation, we will explore a typical workflow in which we take a group of time recordings, analyze them, and produce a report at the end. As with all Pulse Reflex applications, the main menus and controls are in the top left section of the screen. Here we can switch applications, perform general project management and data searches, switch tasks, and manage our reports. The import browser provides the means to search through the Windows file system looking for recognized data formats. There are many different file format options. Here we import 5 recordings made during a vehicle NBH benchmark exercise. The engine speed profiles are calculated automatically and displayed with the original recorded data. We scan through the time data recordings to check that they are okay. By simply typing the letters RPM in the search field, we find the 5 engine speed profiles. We see that the rates of acceleration and the length of the recordings are different for each vehicle. We want to perform an analysis of the acceleration data versus engine speed. We have seen that a suitable common speed range would be around 1000 to 4000 RPM, so we enter these as our limits for creating time regions. With a single click of the mouse, all 5 run-ups are selected. We take a final quick look at the individual run-ups before selecting all of them for analysis. A simple drag and drop loads the regions into the input area of the process chain. It would be a simple procedure now to build a new process chain to analyze the data, but here we use a process chain that was created previously to ensure a repeatable analysis. We take a look at the properties of each process element and make adjustments where required. One advantage of using an existing process chain like this is that quite sophisticated display and store strategies can be reused rather than having to be created each time. With a single mouse click, the process is started and each speed sweep is processed. The Display Manager can contain many pages of displays, which you can browse through to check your results before reporting. Over in the project browser, we can see that our results have been permanently stored. We are now ready to create our report. We create the report in Microsoft Word, and in a single step all the displays are copied to the report. And now we open the report to check our results. The report can now be used as a template for future reports, adding standard text, company logos and pictures, so that when the next set of data is processed, a new report can be generated simply by replacing the graphical content in the template. Automation is at the heart of the Pulse Reflex concept. Wherever possible, common tasks are automated to reduce time spent on repetitive operations. As a consequence, productivity is increased and fatigue-induced errors are minimized. That completes our tour of Pulse Reflex Core. Pulse Reflex Core, designed for high efficiency and high productivity. Built on a relational database for easy storage and retrieval of data. A state-of-the-art graphical user interface with intuitive workflow. Powerful time data visualization and selection for analysis. Automation incorporated into the workflow for maximum productivity. A highly versatile and visual means for creating a sophisticated analysis process with easy reuse and transportability of stored processes. Highly automated report generation tools built into the workflow. A new concept in sound and vibration data analysis. Thank you for your attention.